Welcome to Weje, a multifunctional service for collecting, storing, and structuring information. In this video, we're going to review the Startup Investor Report template. In your workspace, you can create a new board or pick one of the suggested templates. To create a board with the Startup Investor Report template, select the template in the template box, set your own name for the board, and click the Create button. The template consists of two main sheets: fundraising status and monthly progress reports. The fundraising status sheet is for marking the status of the fund collecting. The monthly progress reports sheet reflects monthly reports on accomplished work. In the fundraising status sheet column, our service shows four basic cards: current status, vanity metrics, next steps, and cap table. Apart from the suggested cards, you can add new ones whenever it's necessary. To add a new card, use the Service tools or click the C button. Name the card as needed and set its color. To fill in the card with the necessary information, double-click on it and enter the text. You can add as many cards as you need for your report. The Monthly Progress Reports column serves to register reports on accomplished work. Use this column to create additional cards depending on the information you want to include in the report. You can add work-related documents to the report and then edit them right on the board. To do that, simply copy the Google Doc link that allows editing and paste it onto the board. You can invite other Weje users to the board with a filled-out template by means of the board properties. To invite another user to the board, add their email address in the Collaborators box. To receive the invitation, users must be registered in the service. Select User Properties and click the Invite button. Board access can be provided by a link. To do that, click the Public button and select Properties for the invited user. Copy and send the link. Even unregistered users can follow this link. Filled-out boards can be copied in their entirety. In Board Properties, click the Create Copy button. The copied board will be displayed in the General Boards list. This feature may come in handy if the template is used frequently. Weje allows you to generate startup investor reports manually or by using a suggested template. You can invite other users to the completed boards for collaborative work on set tasks.